right, we're here in Nara Park. It's about 2 minutes from our hotel, so we literally just walked here. It took no time at all because I want to go bow to these deer. I've seen it in videos and I want to see it. I want to do it. But yeah, in this video we're just going to be exploring Nara and like checking out maybe some of the surrounding area and seeing what all it's got to offer. So let's get into it.
Oh, a lot of deers here.
I think I remember on a video you needed to have food and then they yeah. I think you have to feed them and then they'll bow for you. They're like, oh, okay, now I will.
You're so big, mister. You are they watching?
Just keep videoing though, and then we'll see if we can get one to bow eventually.
Where's the food though?
I don't know, I think that people just sell it, but they might not be out here. That one did it.
Aww, you're so polite.
Thank you. Arigato.
You're so polite. Oh. To you.
Yeah, he did it. He kept bowing with me. That's cute. What about you? I got no food though, brother. Nothing. Just coffee.
This big boy.
Hello.
Big boy. Give me food.
I got no food, dude. Look, all I got is coffee. This is it. You don't want that. Yeah. You don't want that. I promise. It's warm, but you don't want it.
You keep bowing. No.
Nah. Screw you. No food, no bow. The little ones will do it usually, like, but the bigger ones are just like, nah, I'm good. Thank you though.
I learned.
But they're super friendly. Like that one just came up and like rubbed his head up against me like a cat. So look, these two are like wrestling or fighting or playing. One of the two. They're making weird noises too. Look how cute.
Hello.
Are you gonna bow to me? Sir, this is coffee. Look, that's coffee. That's coffee, brother. You don't want any coffee? Bet you. Oh, you're soft too. Yeah, you're pretty soft. You're standing on my foot, dude. Can I have my foot back, please? Thank you. Oh. Whoa, that's paper, dude. You just ate paper. You ate paper? Oh, he's so soft. He's really soft. I won't pursue him, but yeah, he feels really soft though. He's like a kitty. He's like a deer cat.
A deer kitty.
He just gave me the little head nod.
This one is so high. Wait, there's two. Oh.
They're just chilling. Don't worry about it.
They're so big.
They don't bow. I guess you need food for the big ones. They're the males. They just don't care.
They're so big though.
Yeah. Look, I bet the females will bow again. Yeah, see? See, when you bow, they just come up for food.
Aww.
No food though, dude. Look, just coffee. Just coffee. That's all I got. That's all I got. Do it. It's cold. Yeah, it's cold. Look, these two are fighting again too. Yeah, so on the sign, it said it's mating season, so they will be feisty. That is exactly what it said on the sign too, feisty. Big boss. Hello, big boss. Is he? He's being mean? Yeah. Don't be mean, dear. You want to get in the shot? Wow, you actually made that really good. Thank you. Thank you. That was perfect. This girl's the star. Oh, here he comes to be a dick, dude. Oh my god, look at this guy. He's being an asshole. He's chasing the little deer.
Oh, that's me.
She's just not into him though. She's not into it. Oh my god, they're all not into him. Sorry, bro. You're just not looking good, I guess. Can I pet you, friend? Can I pet you, friend? They're so cute. They're so cute. There we go. He feels like a cat.
Really?
Yeah. He's a little bit rougher than a cat, but he feels similar to a cat. It's nice. I like them. The babies are my favorite. That big one, he was chasing all the girls, being super mean, dude, and they were all not into him. They were not into it.
Because he is mean.
Don't be mean to girls. They don't like it, obviously.
Obviously.
Yeah. They were all running away. They're not into him. Oh, look, this guy's got some food. See, and they're all chasing him for it.
Hi, dear. What a poop.
Yeah, there's a lot. Oh look, that's a baby one, but he's got antlers coming in. Look, that guy's all fenced off by himself. Why do you think he's in there by himself?
Oh, he had like the angler.
Maybe?
So sharp.
Yeah, maybe that's why. I don't know, maybe he's aggressive and he hurt someone. Alright, so I know in the videos we had seen, it was really busy here. But right now, at least, early in the morning, it's like 7:30 now. But it is dead. There's nobody here. Like, there's just a few people taking pictures. And it's super quiet, super peaceful. So if you're coming here, I would get here early before everyone arrives and it gets super crowded. It's freezing cold right now, too. But it should warm up when the sun comes up. But we'll see. And the deer, they also make this sound. It sounds like, if anyone knows elk, it sounds like an elk mixed with like a goat. But last night I heard it and I thought it was like a child screaming or something for its life. But then after I heard it today, I just realized it's just the deer making their like mating sounds. So yeah.
So weird.
Yeah, it is a weird sound. Some of the deer are kind of aggressive too. Like this one almost rammed us. He was just sprinting, like trying to hit anything he could. But luckily he just went for the female deer and not us, so. I don't have any shirts.
Look,
Thank you for the bow. Wow, it's huge.
So cool, mister.
Yeah, this guy's modeling for us right in front of the Great Buddha Hall.
Maybe he's kind of like mascot.
Yeah.
This temple.
Yeah, he's the mascot.
Working here 9 to 5 every day. Standing, looking cool there.
Yeah, that's his job. But right now we're going to the Great Buddha Hall. Oh yeah, look at this sign. So they can bite, kick, headbutt, and they'll knock old people down apparently. So it says to be careful. And it's just the male deer. Yeah, beware of male deer. Autumn is the mating season and the male deer are feisty. So yeah, I guess you gotta watch out. We did see only one that was like being really aggressive. All the others were still pretty chill, and so far they don't have their antlers. So I'd say even if they did hit you, it wouldn't be like too bad because they're not gonna like stab you, but yeah. It's really pretty over here at this part though. There's like tons of little temples and stuff, look. In the Great Buddha Hall now, for both of us, it was 1,600, but there's also a museum in here. And so if you can get both at the same time, and with the Buddha Hall and the museum, it was 2,400 for both of us. Yeah. So, but the museum doesn't open until 9:30. So we just start going to see the Buddha Hall right now. It's cheaper anyway. But I mean, this is definitely the biggest temple I've seen in Japan so far. I mean, it's on the scale size of like Osaka Castle. I mean, look.
Cool.
Gonna light some incense.
I think 3 or 1. Oh, maybe 1.
That person did 3. I mean, no in Thailand is 3, right?
Yeah, people in Thailand did 3, but I don't know here.
Well, we'll do 3. The incense always smells so good too. I love the smell of it.
Oh, cool.
That's good. Just blow on it.
My hand is freezing. I cannot feel anything now.
Oh, babe. That's how you do it. I'm used to doing the Thai one, like that. Yeah, if you couldn't tell from the other view, it's huge. This is just at like first top of the pagoda too. So it says this right here is dating back to the 8th century. So it is very, very old. Wow. Yeah, these statues are like really cool though. I wonder if they're all from the 8th century or if it was just that one engraving that was from it.
If you're not gonna... No. You're not. You're gonna start.
I cannot. Yeah, I cannot. Oh my god, it's so tight in there. Yeah. Oh,
I
wow.
bet we can.
Oh, that's hard. Okay, so that was all for the Great Buddha Hall. Honestly, that was definitely worth the money though. Like everything inside there, the statues, and then even the big Buddha was like impressive. So, and then at the end there's that little thing you can try to squeeze through, and we come up and this one guy is just completely stuck. Oh my god, he had his like half his body out and his legs, and this lady's like, we got a little clip of it, but I was like had to help pull him out. And then yeah, it's really, really tight in there. I don't know, I almost felt like maybe I could have got through, but once you feel like your shoulders start to get caught, then you're like, I was just like, no, it's sketchy. It's a little claustrophobic in there. But yeah, that was really funny. This is definitely worth the money. I would come here though. This is good. Look, like what is all this over here? So we just walked up from the Great Buddha Hall, but I honestly don't know exactly where this is, but all the buildings here are just super old. They look like really, really ancient, and they're just that beautiful, like traditional Japanese style stuff. It looks really good. I like it. Karate chop coffee. It's hot too. Like, where else in the world can you have a vending machine that gives you a hot coffee? And my hands are freezing too. It's so good. I'm about to be drinking that stuff. Piao got a drink just to hold it. And she has her own, but she still wants to hold mine.
Because yours hotter.
Yeah, I know. But I'm gonna drink it, ma'am. Is that okay? Is that okay? This is just some like old ancient Japanese village up in Nara Park. I don't know. I mean, we literally just stumbled up here, but it's beautiful. Itching your head. What are you doing here? What you doing? You're big too. Oh my god, she's huge. Hello. Yeah. Oh, that ginkgo tree looks good too.
And like around here is like all the people house too. Like there's these all old houses is like actual people house.
Yeah. Yeah, it had like their addresses and doorbell cam on it. Two little hearts that I wrote. The left-handed one is terrible and the right-handed one is the decent one. Yeah, this is on the way back.
There's a lot of deer all down here. This is like
Baby deer and mama deer. Bow to him. No, he says no food, no bow.
He's soft.
Yeah, the babies are really soft. Bow. Wait, try it. Wait.
Bye.
There. That was good.
I want to pet you too. So cute, little deer.
They're so sweet.
They're all so sweet. You're so sweet.
So yeah, The place is pretty much unrecognizable at this time now. Like when we were walking through, there was pretty much no one. It was so quiet, really peaceful. But on the way out, all the tour groups are getting there, and it was just insanely crowded. Oh my God, it turned from like peaceful into stressful. So if you're coming here, early, get here early. We were there at like 7:30, and it was great.
Now it's 9:30.
Yeah, it's 9:30, so I would get here before like 9 or 9:30 because that's when everybody starts pulling up. And all the deer know it too because they just crowd that street like at that time. They are all just waiting to be fed. And they sold all the deer crackers down there too, but we spent all our money on coffee and the go to Gold Big Buddha temple, so yeah. Now we're going back because we got to check out of this hotel. And then we're gonna go look around other places, so, yep. They're like robbing her of the crackers. Looking at this machine and I was like, could a child come up here and drink? Like, how does this work? But look, it reads your ID there. It actually has to verify before it can give it to you. Japan, technology. And we're in like a super beautiful area of Nara. It's all just like traditional style houses, buildings. We just saw this sign here. It says never touch a fawn. Mothers will no longer raise their fawns if it has a smell. Yeah, if you're here, don't pet the baby deer or their mom will not take care of them anymore.
We just saw it too.
Yeah, we just saw it. I wish they would have had those signs like up there, but I don't know why it's all the way down here away from all the deer, but I know. Fried eel and egg. We're in some little Chinese place up in Nara shopping mall. It looks really good though. It's pretty cheap too. It's like 1,700 yen. So not that bad. That's good. Maybe like a tiny bit sweet. A little bit of soy sauce. Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, that's excellent. And for the price too, again, like the serving size is really big. And the price is like really low though.
So good.
It's hot though. But yeah, in Japan, one thing we've seen pretty much everywhere is the price is always like good, and then the serving size is huge. Like they always give you a lot. They're never like giving you small little bits of it, which I like that a lot because I feel like in America especially, you pay like high price and then get just like tiny amount, which is whack. I don't know what she's got here, but it looks good. Beef and rice.
Beef tongue.
Beef tongue? Ooh, ooh. Is it good? I want to try some of the tongue, but I'll wait till it cools off. So tongue, like we always, when we're at buffet, we get the tongue a lot. And I like it. It's always really good. It reminds me of that Genghis Khan style beef we had in Osaka.
It's hot. Too hot.
It's got kind of like a Chinese flavor to it, like maybe like Sichuan or something flavor. It's good though. It's soft too. It's not like rubbery at all. It's like really, really soft.
Cream cheese one, strawberry, daifuku.
Yeah, strawberry cream cheese daifuku. She's been going on about how the strawberries here are so good, but we haven't seen them until now. Is it sweet? The strawberry? Yeah.
So good.
And then I got a
It's gonna be good.
yeah, I got a chocolate one.
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's really sweet.
Very fun. It's okay. It's hard.
But yeah, that's good. It was how much? 300 each.
It's probably so good.
So not that expensive.
Did she take like oil or something? Oh, strawberry. Strawberry is so good. Did you eat it? Strawberry?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's sweet. It's scam. They won't pick him up. It's a scam. Alright, we went upstairs in the arcade. And look, they've got like, look, it's a Michael Jackson like shooting game. I'm so confused.
They have Mario too.
Michael Jackson's Moonwalker. Oh yeah, they got the classic Super Mario. Yeah, all these are so old. Alright, so we just wasted some money on the crane machines, and then I played like one of those old games, just like Asteroid, where you're just like shooting, or Alien Blaster, where you're shooting the things behind the wall. But those crane games are definitely still a scam here. I mean, they pick it up and then they just drop it as soon as it hits the top. So I don't think there's a way to win, really, unless you just get completely lucky. But we're about to leave this like central Nara, and we're gonna head down to Shirataka Ukami and Yatta Nature Park, which are just still inside Nara Prefecture, and it's about like 30 or 40 minutes away from here. So. So we're here at Yatta Park, and we just walked down the trail a little, and this is Tomoji Temple. This is definitely a hidden gem, I'd say, because there's only 2 people here, and they're taking pictures of birds, so we gotta be quiet. But it's super beautiful. The walk here really was pretty easy. It was about like 0.8 kilometers, and it's not stairs. It was just all trail. So I guess after this, we're about to just head back to the park, and it looked really beautiful down there too, so I think we're just gonna go sit and hang out for a little.
No.
All right, so we're down at the base of Yatta Park, just sitting on this bench, relaxing. It's super peaceful here. There's just a few like other older Japanese people just hanging out here as well. But one thing that was kind of cool on the way back, you could see where boars had just like made their own paths going off the trail. I was hoping we get to see one, but we didn't, unfortunately. So I think this is going to be our last place in Nara, because after this, we're going to be heading to our hotel in Kyoto. So we may end up doing a little something tonight there. I'm not too sure either. But overall, I would say Nara is definitely up there in some of my favorite places. There's a lot more too than just Nara Park. I mean, we were looking on the map and there was like a lot of stuff to do, especially in this like area that we are right now. And then I also want to just like reiterate that if you're going to Nara Park, you need to get there early if you want to avoid the crowd, because the later in the day it got, I mean, even by 9:30 or 10 it was crowded, and then when we were leaving at like 11:30 or 12 it was even more crowded, and I'd imagine it just keeps getting like that throughout the day. So definitely get there early if you want to avoid people. What do you think of Nara?
I like it. It's good.
Yeah,
It's not even there's some tourists, but it's not like in Shibuya. It's like packed.
Yeah.
Like, you cannot walk.
Yeah.
Here it's just good.
yeah. It definitely wasn't as bad as Shibuya here, even when it was crowded. Yeah. So overall, I think this is a good place to go. It's definitely got some like hidden places too that you can go and find. All right, that's it for Nara. So in our next video, we're going to be going to Kyoto, but Nara was definitely one of my favorites. I think the only place I liked more was our last video, which was Wakayama and Kushimoto. So it was way better than expected.
Nara's still good. I like the park, and like the deer still come and everything.
It was good. Yeah. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Dragonfly on my leg.